Guess who's bored? Hi guys. I feel really bad because I haven't made a video in a while. And excuse the child in the back and the bunny rabbit in the back. Anyway, so I'm sick. I like had some soup earlier. I seriously have like a fever right now. I don't feel good. And then earlier my brother smashed my, like I had my hand like this, and he smashed my fingers in the door, and I was like, ow! And he smashed it even more, and I was like, ow! The Toronto show was tonight, and it was amazing, even though I didn't go, because I'm on the West Coast, and I live in the States. I've been tweeting it up, and Shane Dawson it up. Like, I don't know, I just watch his vlogs like all the time now. I'm addicted. Subscribe. I will do a cover probably before the year's over. Scooter still wets the bed.
So if you want to tumble and tumble fast,
I'm gonna pull a Shane Dawson right now. Wait, we have to change the color. That's better, just not in my face. So we're gonna watch a clip from when I was at Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber here. I have a new album. See, that's me. So it's Justin Bieber, My World. Wow, that was really weird. I can't do Shane Dawson. And everyone was like, no, he doesn't have 5 tattoos. But I knew he had 5 tattoos to begin with. And now all these pictures are surfacing of his 5th tattoo on his leg. And I was right all along. He's had that since Mexico.